How are all of you? Sairam children, how all of you are enjoying at home? See, class 4, welcome to your EVS class. See, we will begin today's class by chanting Omkar thrice. So join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for the Omkaram. Om. Saira. So class 4, this is your EVS class. As I have told you earlier also that chapter 6, 7 and 8 they are in the continuation with each other and they are about the same girl Omna who is traveling and going to Amu Mamma's house, that is her Nani's house. So, in this chapter, reaching grandma's home, we have studied that Omna, after getting off the train, sit in auto rickshaw and um, reach to her Mausi's home. From there, in the morning, they have boarded the bus. Their family has boarded the bus, and her papa has purchased tickets for that. After that, they have reached to the bank of the river and they cross the river by sitting in the ferry. And to sit in the ferry, we have to purchase the tickets also, we have to pay the money also. So, different kind of transport Omna has used and reached to her Amu Mama's place. And that journey was very long and interesting journey. Now yesterday I have shown you one ticket, train ticket, and train ticket you can see on the net also, or if your mother, father or any other person in your home is having, you can see from that ticket also. So again today we will revise about the train ticket.
She has written in her diary Omna. Now see what happens. Now see, this is the railway ticket. This is the railway ticket. This is the PNR number, and if this is the train number. This is date on which you have to travel, and this is the kilometer. How much kilometer you will travel in the train, and then here that this the first name it is written is the boarding station, and this is the destination station. This is the class 2A, 3A, sleeper classes, all these things.
बोर्डिंग स्टेशन मीन्स जहाँ से हम चल रहे हैं और डेस्टिनेशन का मतलब होता है जहाँ हम पहुँच रहे हैं. So boarding station is Bandra terminus and destination is Ratlam and this J or Jai junction. Yes, see junction J and Ratlam junction. Bandra terminus at Ratlam junction. In both Hindi and English it is written.
And these are the number of reserved seats, and here timing is also written when this ticket is when this ticket is booked. So all these things, so boarding boards, all these things, these details are on the train. You need to identify the important thing, what these things you need to do. So what the things you need to understand before purchasing a ticket. So you ask your parent to get one ticket and you understand all these things, or you could download one ticket from internet and you can understand the important items of the train ticket. Okay. Now the thing is, a railway timetable gives detail about the route of
See children, we can purchase the railway timetable from the railway station. It is available at railway station. So railway timetable, it tells us about the train, how long it has to travel, which route it will travel, how much time it will take to reach the destination, and at what time it will leave the station, which it cross while traveling, the distance it will cover. And railway timetable we can purchase from the railway station. See.
Every train. Now Omna, she is thinking about the journey. Now she is explaining about the journey. What she is saying that there is a railway timetable which gives details about the route of every train. That when the train will start and by which time where it will be. Like this, everything is being disclosed in the railway timetable. The distance covered etc. We can buy a railway timetable from a railway station. Means you could get the railway timetable from a railway station, but these days you could download it from the internet also because it is easily available. Some portion of the timetable for the route of the train on which Omna traveled are given. Look carefully at it and answer the following questions. See here, the train name is
See,
Nagarcoil Express.
this railway timetable, it is showing on your screen. See what it is telling about the boarded station and about the destination, arrival time of the train, departure time of the train, how long it will stay on that station, and distance it will cover, and the journey of the day, that is first, second, or third.
Express, Nagarcoil. You know where the Nagarcoil is? Nagarcoil is in the Tamil Nadu. It is next to the Kanyakumari. So the train, it has started from Gandhigram and it will end at Nagarcoil. But where the Omna devoted, they boarded at Kottayam. So here Trivandrum Central and Nagarcoil. The time is written when which the first day it started and another day it was at the Trivandrum Central and the next day means 3 day journey it is. It takes 3 days to cover this distance. But on the second day Kottayam they have devoted. It is 23:55. It means 11:55. Just 5 minutes before the next day happens.
See, this 2355 is written, and from class 3rd that you write the time from 1 to 12. 23:55 time, it is shown in the railway timetable and in the computer, in the digital cameras, in the digital watches. What does this mean? After 12, 1 o'clock afternoon is there, PM 1 o'clock, but it is considered as 13, 2 as 14, 3 PM is 15, like that, and then 12 night, and after that again 1 o'clock. So from 1 o'clock at night to the 12 o'clock at night, it it is 24 hours. So 23:55 means 11 past 55 minutes, means 5 minutes left for the next day to start.
They have devoted the train and the distance is 2480 kilometers. Now there are some questions you need to answer it. You answer these questions in your textbook. And by this chapter.
Now see, we have discussed the chapter, we have read the chapter also, and we have discussed the chapter also. Now few questions and answers of the chapter we will discuss, and see children, you can keep the video safe for your question and answer, or you can note down the important question answer in your copy. See, these are the question and answer. The question number 1 is, Omna traveled by different kinds of transport after she got down from the train. Can you remember what these were? Very well. Daily I am telling you, and today also I have told you. When she got down from the train, they have hired two auto rickshaw. And this is auto rickshaw. And then they have boarded the bus in the morning, and then they have get inside the ferry. Ferry is a water transport. So auto rickshaw, bus, and ferry. See, on which vehicles have you traveled? So you can write the number of vehicles in which you have traveled in this answer about all the three kinds of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Names of that is written, you can write it on your own. So I have traveled by train, bus, auto rickshaw, tanga, bullock cart, boat, water transport, bicycle. It doesn't require any fuel like petrol or diesel. Scooter, car, taxi, ship, water transport, metro, rail transport. In metro cities, metro is there, aeroplane, air transport, etc. Okay, and you can cut some names if you have not used that transport, and you can write your own transport in which you have traveled. Which ride did you enjoy the most? I enjoyed the train ride the most. As Omna has also enjoyed the train journey, if you enjoy traveling in car, you can write that. If you enjoy traveling in scooter, you can write that. If you enjoy traveling in bus, you can write that. Omna left Ahmedabad on 16th May. How many hours did it take for her to reach Amumamma's place? Omna left Ahmedabad at 11:45 a.m. on 16th May. 16th May को सुबह के टाइम एम आ गया ना 11:45. अभी मैं रेलवे टाइम टेबल के बारे में आपको बता रही थी. 11:45 on 16th May and reached Amu Mamma's place at 11:30 p.m. on 17th May. It took 36 hours. See, have you ever been on a long journey? Where did you go? As I'm telling you, this is the time of coronavirus time. Coronavirus is spreading it very fast. So all of you are staying at home and you are not going to your grandmother's place or auntie uncle's place or going to south or Kashmir or any other hill station like that. But this is the chapter long back when no coronavirus or COVID-19 situation was there. So all of you must have traveled in a long journey, and about that you have to note down what is the answer. I have been on a long journey which lasted more than 24 hours. I went from my hometown to Delhi or any other place. If you have traveled for 4 hours only, or if you have traveled for 12 hours only, if you have traveled for 8 hours only, you can write that also. Name the different kinds of transport that you use during the journey. I use auto rickshaw, train, and taxi. Okay, children. So all of you have enjoyed today's class. Now, see, children, we will discuss the next question and answer tomorrow. Hope all of you have enjoyed your EVS class. Now get ready for Shanti part. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you and Sai Ram.